Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am headed to Walmart for my weekend bonus, okay? I told y'all, Ibotta has been super awesome in gracing your girl with some pretty easy bonuses, and I only need 10 rebates for $5. Now, we also have this other one that popped up. It's called Tea Time, and for that, I need 48. I normally need 48 for the larger ones, but I need 48 rebates for $10. So, of course, I'm going to try to get as many of them as I can today, just to make it easier on tackling that. I figure I'll probably be able to hit it with weekend, I'm trying to think, weekend, midweek weekend. So I should be able to hit it by next weekend, hopefully. And it is good until the 23rd. So yeah, so I should be able to have time to hit that one. But if you're new here, yes. If you are new here, go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure that you smash the like button. That supports your girl. And don't forget to make sure that your notification bell is on so you never miss out on the video. So listen, y'all. I'm going to head over here. I'm going to try to make this really quick. Other than that, you guys, I will see you guys at Walmart for another awesome haul. So keep on watching. If you already know what your girl got, if you want to know how much money she making, definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so this first deal that I have to do and I have to max out is on the all free and clear detergent. It's priced at $3.93. So we're going to go ahead and grab one of them. You're going to use a $1.50 coupon from our inserts. You'll pay $2.43 out of pocket, get back $2 on Ibotta, making it only 43 cents. And yes, your girl is maxing it out. Alright, so this next deal is on the L'Oreal toner. It's priced at $5.37. You're going to grab one. Now, you can either submit on quickqs.com, Alexa, or ShopMium, or you can just go ahead and print the coupon from quickqs.com, which is what I did. I've already maxed it out on the apps as well anyways, and so we're going to grab one, use a $5 off of one coupon, and we're going to pay 37 cents, making this an awesome deal. This next deal is on the Revlon eye pencils, you guys. So there's a rebate on Ibotta to buy one, get one free. So you have to buy two, and you'll get back $7.96, y'all. So I was here scanning stuff, trying to figure out what's the best deal. And I found one for you guys. It's on the Color Stay Brow Fantasy. It's a number 105, which is brunette. So you're going to grab two of them, price match the online price of $2.54. You'll end up paying $5.08 out of pocket, but you'll get back $7.96 on Ibotta, you guys, making this a $2.88 moneymaker. Now, I did it yesterday. It reset. I did it again today. So this is an awesome, awesome deal. All right, guys. So next up is the Axe 5 Fragrance Body Wash. It's priced at $6.27. We're going to use a $2.50 coupon on it, bringing that down to $3.77. We're going to get back $3 on Ibotta, making this only 77 cents. You might still have rebates on Fetch Reward, and so yeah. All right, so this is gonna be a whole mouthful, so I hope I don't lose you on it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna grab is the Dove Men Care, which is priced at $6.27. We're gonna also be grabbing the Women Dove spray, which is priced at $7.48. Both products are gonna come to $13.75. But we'll get back $3.50, which is two separate rebates on Ibotta for the women. We'll get back $3 for the men on Ibotta. On top of that, we're going to submit on ShopMium for $4. You can also do coupons.com, Alexa, whichever one you want to submit on. And then last but not least, we'll get back 400 kicks for the women and 550 kicks for the men, which is a total of $3.80 from Shopkick, making both free plus a 55-cent moneymaker. And then we're going to grab the Degree. Now, the Degree men and the women are the same price, okay, $5.78. So both of them are going to come to $11.56. We're going to get back $1 for each on Ibotta. We're also going to be submitting on ShopMium for $4 for buying two. Again, you can either do coupons.com, Alexa, ShopMium. And then last but not least, we'll get back 550 kicks, which is $2.20 times 2. On Shopkick, which is basically going to bring these down to only 58 cents. Okay, so next up is the soft soap. All right, this deal is going to be on the therapy ones. They're priced at $2.62. Now, we do have two separate rebates on Shopkick for each of them. So we'll be grabbing one of each. We're going to use a 50-cent coupon from our inserts that, by the way, did not scan for me. That's going to bring the total down to paying $4.24 out of pocket. But you'll get back $1 for buying two on Ibotta. We'll also get back $1 for each on Shopkick as well, bringing these down to only 62 cents each. All right, and last but not least, I went ahead and grabbed the smaller soft soap, the seasonal ones. These were actually located in the trial section on the very top. There are separate rebates on Shopkick for these. And the limit is 2 for each one. So you can grab 4, which is what I did. I grabbed 4. And so you'll end up paying $2.48 if you just grab 2. You'll get back $1 on Ibotta. You'll get back 80 cents times 2 on Shopkick, making them both free plus 12 cents. All right, guys. So here is our complete haul for today. This is a nice little haul. It's just a nice little, it's a nice little full haul, a little healthy little haul. I did the Axe yesterday and today. I did the Revlon yesterday and today. I did the John Frieda yesterday. I grabbed 2 with 2 Cetaphil. Same deal that I did with a CVS deal, but the same deal I did in my CVS video. 2 John Friedas, 2 Cetaphils, and then I used a $4 printable, and I got back $4 on Ibotta. That was yesterday. Today, I did it again. I only grabbed 1 John Frieda because I only had 1, and I grabbed 3 Cetaphils, $4 coupons, came perfectly fine. I think I paid like 4 something out of pocket, and I want to say it was like $4.16 out of pocket, and then I got back 3 in extra care bucks. Submitted on my Ibotta, it did not work, so it's not working for me anymore. Which is, I'm happy I only got 1 right, because if I would have got more than that, I would have been kind of like, damn. So it still nets the 4 products at like $1.16 for all 4, which is still not bad. On that, what else? As far as the Dove and the Degree deals, I did them both separately. So I did Degree on 1 receipt and I did Dove on 1 receipt because I do have 2 separate, well, of course they're separate. I have 2 ShopMium accounts. So I submitted the Degree to 1 and Dove to the other on that. And then I think that's basically it, huh? I did the L'Oreal 4. I just grabbed 4. Why not? They're only 37 cents. And then, if I didn't mention in the video, big shout out to Miss Danielle for letting us know that the rebate on coupons.com is now attaching to this product. It wasn't before, and I wanted to do it, but it just wasn't attaching. So I was just like, I don't have time to be putting tickets in and sending this and sending, no, I'm not trying to do all that. And so it is now attaching, and it is working for 2 different rebates on coupons.com for me. It was 1 for $3 and 1 for $1. And I did get it back. All right. I submitted on coupons.com as well as Alexa. I submit everything to Alexa. I ain't even gonna lie. Your girl probably got like $150 on Alexa just sitting there. But I've been using it for like supplies, like ink, or like my binders that I just got, or like, yeah, stuff like that. Like if I need anything that has to do with my couponing, I get it from there. And so, yeah, I'm like Alexa rich. And so, yeah. What else did I want to mention? Oh, coupons I did not scan. This soft soap coupon didn't scan, y'all. I was grabbing the ones, the exfoliating ones, and the coupon didn't scan. So I was doing the small ones and those on a separate transaction because this one hadn't reset for me yet on Ibotta. And so when the coupon didn't scan for that one, I had her take them off and I added these and the coupon worked. So it worked for these, but it didn't work for what it was intended to work for. So yeah. All right, on that. So yeah, just made it a better deal on that. Other than that, what else? I went to Target to grab this. I went and did something else there, y'all, and that deal flatlined for me. So I'm taking that back. I was doing the Dove Love Body whatever, and I guess you have to buy specific ones because your girl didn't read the fine print. And so it is still in review, but yeah, it's going back to the store. On that. And so the core bar is $2.39, $1 back on Ibotta, $2.39 back from Isles, made that $1 moneymaker. Other than that, what else? Oh, I found these cute leggings, y'all. Look, for $1. And they're normally like $28, and they're so freaking cute. I love this line. I love this brand, y'all. I do. I have a crop sweater, and I have some other leggings that I absolutely love. So yeah. I'm super stoked about these. But they were only $1, and they just kept marking them down. Look at all these stickers. And I got them for $1. So yeah, I just want to mention that as well. So check your stores. So other than that, you guys, everything that you see here retails $186.33. I had $73.50 in coupons. I brought the out of pocket down to $112.83. This is $16.36 in sales tax. And then we walk away with $79.42 from Ibotta. $14.70 from Shopkick. With Shopkick, y'all, I am scanning in-store between my account and Joseph's account. So I did get back $144 from my account and $186 from his account. So I got back an extra $3.30. But total $14.70 from Shopkick. ShopMium was $8. Again, I do have 2 accounts, so I did the degree on one and the dub on the other account. Coupons.com, $4. Alexa, $4. $6 back in extra care bucks for the John Frieda Cetaphil deal. And then $2.39 from Isles for the core bar. So we do walk away with a total of $118.51, making everything you see here free plus $5.68. And if you want to take off those extra care bucks because there's no cash, that would bring it down to a net of 32 cents, which is still pretty free to me. If you ask me, that's free. Other than that, you guys, that's basically it. If you got to this point in the video, what is your favorite deal this week? My favorite deal, I want to say, is the Colgate, because it was a moneymaker. And the Revlon, because it was a moneymaker. And the soft soap with the coupon, it was a moneymaker. So those are my top 3 favorite deals this week. What are yours? And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.